Global induced pluripotent stem cells market is expected to expand at a steady pace during the forecast period of 2019 to 2027. Increasing investment in research and development activities to develop novel therapies for chronic diseases is expected to drive the market. Technological advancements in cell-based research are also anticipated to contribute significantly to the growth of this market. North America dominated the induced pluripotent stem cells market due to the presence of advanced healthcare infrastructure and major key players in the region. The demand for induced pluripotent stem cells is on the rise for applications in drug discovery, regenerative medicine, and disease modeling. Challenges such as ethical concerns and high costs associated with research are anticipated to hinder market growth. Key players in the induced pluripotent stem cells market include major pharmaceutical companies and biotech firms working on stem cell research.